Hi everybody and welcome to 5 Minutes Yoga from the Inside. It's nice to have you back here again practicing with me as we're going to have a closer look on the arms of the Gomukhasana pose. And what you need for today's practice is your mat, as always, good intentions and a belt. And then I would say, let's step on our mat and let's practice. So make sure you sit comfortably on your mat, whatever that means to you, legs back or crossed legs. And for a moment, just inhale and exhale and root yourself. Feel your shoulders, feel your neck, so before and after. And take your belt and place it over your left shoulder. And then I want you to lengthen the right arm to the right side and rotate the arm so that the thumb is pointing toward the wall or whatever is at your back, and the palm of the hand is facing up to the ceiling. And be careful not to engage too much your shoulders, so just a rotation of your arm. And then you sweep the right arm to your back and see if your forearm can find that little hollow space on your lower back. And your right elbow somehow rests at the right side of your torso. And then see how much can you bring up your right forearm so that it is finally in line with your spine and the back of your hand in between your shoulder blades. And you see that the shoulder is very much down, not engaged. Just a movement of your arm, no neck, no shoulder. And then you take your left arm and bring it up, lengthen it, and here it is the palm of the hand which is facing up. And then lift up your arm and see if you can lengthen your arm, but not by lifting your shoulder, just by slightly lifting your arm. So it is as if somebody would pull you on the pinky up. Every time when you inhale, you have that feeling somebody is pulling you up. When you exhale, you sink down. More weight on your sitting bones. And then you bend the elbow and see if you can reach out for the belt with your upper hand, and at the same time see if your right hand can grab the belt. So both hands are now on the belt, grabbing the belt, and then it is the left elbow which is pointing up to the ceiling and the right elbow is pointing more to the floor. And if you want to engage a bit more the pose, then the right hand can gently pull a bit more down. And see that you don't bring your left shoulder out. So it is that rotation in instead of out. And then you release the hands and you come back. Inhale and exhale. Relax for a moment. And then you move to the other side. So you place your belt over the right shoulder. Like always, I hope that this little insight of mine brought you something to move forward on your own yoga journey. So now it is up to you. How much do you use your shoulders and how much do you use your arms when it comes to rotation, when it comes to movement of that upper part of your body? So the choice is yours. If you liked this video, please share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be back again and I hope you do the same. Until then, take care, stay safe, and bye for now.